A very good morning to one and all. Welcome back our science class. Okay, last class we discussed about the features of animals and adaptation of animals. That is, land animals use their legs to move, water animals use their fins to move, and birds are used their wings to move. Today we are going to learn about fish. That is lesson number 3 of block 8. That is the physical features of fish. The aim of this lesson is describe the physical features of fish. Okay. Before starting the lesson, we can do 2 activities. Okay, are you ready? Yes. My dear children, please take a sheet of newspaper. Okay. Take the newspaper like this in front of you. Keep the newspaper in front of you and run some distance with this newspaper. Okay, then the second time keep the paper normally, that is back side of you, and run some distances. Please pause the video and do these activities now. Okay. Okay, my dear children, what is your result? Which one is more easy to run? Which one? Okay, very good. Running newspaper with backside. So, we can say running with a newspaper in front of you is more difficult compared to run normally. Okay, our second activity is take 2 sheets of paper and fold one paper like this. And second one, do you know how to make aeroplane with paper? Okay, make a beautiful aeroplane with paper. So, like this, and fly through both the papers. Yes. Which paper reached the farthest? Which paper did reach the farthest? Yes, paper with aeroplane shape reached farthest. What is this shape? Yes, flight or aeroplane shape. Or boat shape. This is a flattened shape. So it moves faster than the other paper. Okay, clear? Then look at this picture. What is this? This is a fish. What is the shape of the fish? What is the shape of the fish? Yes, the shape of the fish is boat shape or flattened shape or streamlined shape. Clear? This shape helps it move easily in water. We know fish live in water. Then what do fish breathe? Yes, very good. Oxygen. Fish breathe oxygen. Where do they get oxygen? Yes, they get oxygen that dissolved in water. What is the breathing organ of the fish? Yes, very good. What is that? Gills. Gills is the breathing organ of a fish. Very good. Children, why is it difficult to run with newspaper first time? That is the paper in front of you. Because the newspaper increases the friction of the air. What do you mean by friction? Friction means a force that opposes the motion. Okay. Then why can't we walk in water? We are walking land very easily. Then why can't we walk in water? Water has more friction than the air. So, it is very difficult to walk in the water. Clear? Most fish are flattened from side to side. that reduce the area on which water can exert friction. Fish also have fins that help them to move. Why do fish need to move fast? What is the need of it? Yes, fish need to move fast to catch animals they eat. Children, fish lives in water. Why can't we live in water? Why? Yes, we can't breathe. Very good. We can't breathe in water because we have no gills. And what is the breathing organ of us? Very good. What is that? Lungs. Children, do you know which is the largest animals in the world that live in water? What is that? Very good. What is that? Whale, blue whale. Then where do whales live? Yes, whales live in water. Children, have you listened? The whales come up for air. What is the need of it? Have you ever think it? No. Yes, very good. We can check. The reason is the whales do not have gills. They have lungs like us. So they need to come up and breathe the air. A human swimming underwater also has to periodically come up to breathe the air. Okay, so we have no gills. So we also come up to breathe the air. Okay. Children, some fish can't swim fast. Then they hide in the water. How can they hide in the water? That you know? The shape and color of such fish match the place in the sea where it lives. So it's able to hide from fish that want to eat it. Okay, what did we learn in this unit? A fish has streamlined shape. It has less friction. It has gills to breathe and fins to move. A blue whale is a water animal which has no gills. It has lungs to breathe. Okay. So this is the time to write your worksheet S3. All of you open block 8 S3. Children, S3, the name of the lesson is fish. What is the heading? Fish. Paragraph about fish and find out the answer. Okay. Then the first question is, what does fish breathe? How does it breathe? Second question is, how does the shape of a fish help it move in water? Then the third one is, the fish cannot swim fast. How does it avoid fish that want to eat it? Okay, please write the answer and read the lesson well and find out PQ questions 5 and 6. Okay, children, now we are moving to block 8, lesson 4, that is amphibians. The aim of this lesson is to describe the physical features of amphibians. You are already studied about amphibians. Amphibians are animals that live both on land and in water. Okay, what is the example? Okay, frog, very good. Then we can discuss about the frog. A frog can live both on land and in water. Animals that live both on land and water is called, yes, very good, amphibians. The word amphibians means double life. Double life. Amphibians born in water and live both in water and on land. Adult amphibians usually live on land. Children, we know a frog is an amphibian. Frogs easily swim in water. How is it possible? Yes, webbed feet. Very good. She said the answer. Frogs have webbed feet that let them easily swim in water. Then which are the animals have webbed feet? Yes, very good. Duck. Is it an amphibian? No. Why? Ducks do not born in water. Very good. And frogs have webbed feet that let them easily swim in water. The moist skin of frog help them to breathe in water. Frogs are flattened or streamlined from top and bottom. It reduces the friction of water. It helps the frogs to swim easily. Amphibians lead double life. They have two types of breathing organs. Okay. Then amphibians use lungs and their moist skin to breathe in air. If they are on land, they use the lungs. If they are in water, they use their moist skin to breathe. Okay. So, they can easily live on land and in water. Children, a polar bear also have webbed feet and is a very good swimmer. It hunts animals living in the sea for food. Why then is a polar bear not considered to be an amphibian? Yes, very good. Polar bear do not born in the water. Very good answer. Amphibians are animals that are born in water, grow up in water and live on land and in water. Any animals that has webbed feet and is a good swimmer cannot be considered to be an amphibian. Frogs and salamander are two kinds of amphibians. So, we can say amphibians have webbed feet. They have flattened shape. They can swim easily. Children, which type of animal is this? Okay, very good. This is a crab. Crab does not have fins, so it can't swim. Then how crab lives in water? Crab walks on the floor of the water. Okay. Amphibians need to keep their skin moist. If their skins dry, they can die. So, they are found living near the water. Okay. So, what did we learn this class? Yes, about amphibians. Amphibians have webbed feet. They have flattened shape. They can swim easily. They lead double life. They are born in water and live both on land and in water. Okay, children. Now, shall we complete our S4? Okay, please take your workbook. Yes, what is the lesson? Amphibians. Please read the description about the frog and find out the answer. Okay, then the second one. What are amphibians? Name two amphibians. It is very easy. How does the shape of a salamander help to swim? How does the shape of amphibians help them swim and move in water? And the last question is, adult amphibians live mostly near water. Why? My dear children, please find out the answer of all these questions. Read the lesson well and find out the practice question 7 and 8. Okay? Stay safe at home. Thank you. Have a nice day.